Let's be brutally honest about selling your house. You're convinced buyers will look past the dirty carpet, the peeling wallpaper, and that original 1980s kitchen, right? You think they'll see the potential. I'm here to tell you they won't. Buyers aren't buying potential. They're buying a feeling. And if your listing feels like work and delayed gratification, you're losing money. Because here's the math buyers are actually doing. They walk in, see the dated kitchen, and they don't see a fun renovation project. They see $40,000 for the kitchen, $8,000 for new flooring, $3,000 for paint, and so on. They're not seeing potential. They're seeing their savings account evaporating. They're seeing contractor no-shows, permit headaches, and 18 months of weekends at Home Depot. They see work, not potential. And then they leave your house and go to the next showing. The house down the street, the floors are already done, the paint is fresh, they can move in and just live. That house gets the offer, yours gets the "we'll think about it." You tell me. But we priced it $10,000 under market to account for the updates. Yeah, that's true. But the buyers just calculated they need $76,000 in updates. You're asking for full price minus $10,000 on a house that needs a $76,000 project. You have two choices. Fix it and price it right, or price it like the work project it actually is. Because seeing potential was your job when you bought it. It's not the next buyer's job. Let's talk about pricing your house right.